Do this to your commercial service Google Ads account now. Phrase match is destroying your commercial service Google Ads account. You are paying commercial prices for residential clicks and it's draining your budget. But don't worry, in this video I'll show you exactly how to fix it. Over the past few years, Google has broadened match types so aggressively that your carefully crafted commercial service keywords are now triggering irrelevant consumer searches. Here is what that means in practice. You bid on commercial roofing services and your ads show for competitors, residential roofers, and generic searches like roof leak fix at home. You target commercial roof in Dallas and your ad appears for homeowners searching for roofing near me. And remember, in this industry we are talking $30 to $100 cost per clicks. Imagine paying $75 for commercial roofing contractor and Google gives you roofing jobs near me. That's money on fire. You search partners, broad match or performance max on top of that, the problems multiply, pushing your ads to completely unqualified audiences. The fix? With our strategy, we always go exact match only. We start with the exact match campaigns, no phrase match, no broad match, no shortcuts. Then run a search term analysis daily and build extensive negative keyword lists to block residential, DIY, and job seeker queries. Step 2. Geo-targeting commercial zones. We don't just target Dallas, we go zip code level and focus on commercial-heavy districts like warehouses, industrial parks, office zones. If you are a commercial service owner, you don't need impressions in upscale residential neighborhoods. Step 3. Ad scheduling. Commercial buyers aren't searching at midnight on a Saturday. Run ads during your business hours, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Then match your spend to when decision makers are actually online. Step 4. Device and demographics. Prioritize desktop searches, refine age ranges, and exclude segments less likely to be actual commercial decision makers. Mobile is great for B2C, but in B2B services, desktop usually wins. Step 5. Use ad copy that disqualifies residential searchers. Be crystal clear. Headlines like commercial cleaning Dallas or commercial painting for 10,000 square feet buildings usually work better. In descriptions, we can say we specialize in warehouses, factories, and office buildings. We don't take on residential projects. Step 6. Use landing pages that filter fast. Your landing page should make it obvious in seconds there is a minimum project size and you only take on commercial projects. On your page, you should have clear visuals of warehouses, offices, factories, not homes. Yes, you might pay more per click, but by filtering out the noise, you'll drive dramatically more qualified leads and eliminate all wasted spend. The result? Your ROI improves within the first month. You stop burning money on residential clicks and job seekers and finally start fueling real growth in your commercial services business through Google Ads. So here's the takeaway. If you are running a commercial service company and you are running commercial service ads, phrase match and broad match might be killing your performance. Switch to exact match, tighten your targeting, and make your messaging crystal clear. Only commercial. Do this now and you will see qualified leads go up while wasted spend disappears. If this video was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with the biggest targeting challenge you are facing in your Google Ads account.